Hey, so you are a NEET UG aspirant?
Yes.
Okay, then guess the phylum.
Okay. Chordates or non-chordates?
Non-chordates.
Non-chordates. Okay. So like level of organization, cellular, tissue, organ या organ system.
Organ या organ system?
एक बोलना यार.
No.
Okay. So like pseudocoelomates, acoelomates या फिर coelomates?
Coelomates.
Coelomates. Okay. So is there any segmentation present, like present or absent?
Absent.
Absent. So I have three options. Okay. So is there any radial symmetry present in the adult stage?
No.
Okay. Is that the second largest phylum?
No.
Have you got it then?
Yeah, correct.